Module 5, Lesson 11's objective is to compare unit fractions with different sized models representing the whole. Item 9. Debbie ate 1/8 of a large brownie. Julian ate 1/2 of a small brownie. Julian says, I ate more than you because 1/2 is greater than 1/8. Let's go ahead and underline the important details. Debbie ate 1/8 of a large brownie. I'm going to highlight the word large here because that's a really important word. Julian ate 1/2 of a small brownie. I'll highlight the word small there. Julian says, I ate more. 1/2 is greater than 1/8. Now the directions say use pictures and words to explain Julian's mistake. I'll underline that. Use pictures and words to explain. I'm going to highlight the words Julian's mistake. So something that Julian said is not right. Let's draw a picture. Debbie ate 1/8 of a large brownie. I'll go ahead and draw a large brownie here. If she ate 1/8 of it, that means the brownie's divided into 8 equal pieces. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pieces there. She ate one of them because that's 1 out of 8. So I'll shade that one piece here and show it as a fraction, 1 out of 8 or 1/8. And here is Debbie's name so that I can show my teacher this picture represents Debbie's brownie. Now Julian ate 1/2 of a small brownie, so I'll draw a small brownie for Julian. And I'll go ahead and divide it in half because there are only 2 pieces in Julian's brownie. 1, 2. And he only ate half of it, so I'll shade in 1 out of the 2 pieces, or 1/2, for Julian, and label it so my teacher knows this illustration represents the portion that Julian ate. Now you can see in this case that the size of the brownie makes a difference. It's not okay to compare a large brownie's piece with a small brownie's piece because even though Julian ate half of his, it's still a smaller piece than Debbie's because he started with a small brownie to begin with. So I could go ahead and write Debbie's brownie was bigger. So her piece was larger. How could you change the problem so that Julian is correct? We need to change the problem so that Julian is correct. We're going to use pictures and words to explain. In order for us to compare the amount that Debbie ate compared to the amount that Julian ate, our brownies must be the same size. So, in item B, you need to make Debbie's brownie the same size as Julian's brownie to begin with. Then divide Debbie's brownie into 8 pieces and Julian's brownie into 2 pieces. They should both either be small brownies or they should both be large brownies at the beginning so that the whole is the same size to start before the whole is divided into pieces. I want you to go ahead and draw Debbie's brownie here and Julian's brownie here. Make sure that they're the same size. Then shade 1/8 for Debbie and write 1/8 there, and shade 1/2 for Julian and write 1/2 here. And then you need to use words to explain. Debbie and Julian both had blank. Let's go ahead and put the word A here. A blank brownie. On the blank, you're going to put large or small. And then you will write Debbie ate 1/8 and Julian ate 1/2. Julian ate more because 1/2 is greater than 1/8. All right, finish it up on your own.